My video is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site yourbrbAds.com. YourbrbAds.com is a dangerous site displaying a fake human verification alerts. It tries to trick you into clicking on allow, supposedly to help you verify that you're not a robot, but to click on that allow button is definitely a serious mistake, because this way your browser will be hijacked and contaminated with many junk advertisements. These ads may keep disturbing you greatly. So if you have mistakenly clicked on the allow button, it's time to get your browser fixed urgently. To fix your browser, here's what you should do. Access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, then go down to Site Settings and in Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove the junk sites if you find them on the list. Also, I recommend you to research your device with Combo Cleaner that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then start investigating your system in order to detect and remove other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.